unscrewing the CO2, barrel bezel off. Next, and then we'll take the screws out. But we won't take this out until we take the hammer bolt out. It's a hammer bolt holding the spring in. There's the hammer and the spring, otherwise that will all spring loose. Pull the valve bolt out. We can loosen this up. Now the ball detent spring and the trigger spring might come flying out. That's why I always have extras. This time it didn't. I'm going to take this all apart. Okay, to reassemble. Here's the barrel, ball detent spring. We'll fit that on there. That'll slide into that slot here. There's the valve. Line the valve up. Use your bolt to line it up with the hole in the right side of the clamshell. That'll keep that there. Next, we'll put the trigger in. There's the trigger. Slide the safety in. There's the safety. Trigger spring. Trigger spring. You can pull the valve bolt back out. Put the left side on. Tighten the valve bolt down. Now we have to bolt this back on. So pull the trigger, push back on there. That'll push this piece back out. So we can bolt the hammer on. Everything should be working properly. Put the barrel bezel on. Screws back in. Here's your finished SPLATMASTER. A couple of important things. Triggers will eventually wear to where if it won't cock properly. There's a partially broken one. There's one that's worn completely off. That will eventually cause a problem. It's good to have extra triggers. Do not glue these on. When you glue these on, you break them to try to take them off, and you can damage the barrel when you're trying to pull them off if you glue them on. Keep extra ball detents, because the ball detents will eventually turn a little oblong. When you're buying CO2, grab the Craftsman. They're softer on the top. This won't fit in the marker. And that's it from the swamp.